Hello, I'm Greg Sanders, President and CEO of Becker SMC and Sports Engineering. Appreciate your time today. We're going to talk about something that is near and dear to our heart. It's called...
This is the Becker SMC Lever Action connectors, a low voltage connector that is drugged in a trouble-free device, supporting up to 800 amps, up to 500 MCM, grommet and cable clamp, single piece high trade insulator, and provides aluminum housings, dust tight environment. It also has a dust cover option, a dual latching for added safety, ground check circuits make last and break first to ensure phase connection are de-energized. It is a self-wiping context for optimal connection each time and removable ground strap option. One added benefit is that it also provides fiber optic communication.
We appreciate your time and be safe.